Now remember, you don't want to hit that plastic cup because that's where the pipes are leaking. Yeah. You don't want to hit that plastic cup. Oh, I know. Oh, now it just hit my head. Yeah. It leaked onto my head. Oh, because there's 2 leaks. Awesome. Oh, good job. Yeah. Can we move it over here so that we don't hit the leaky spot? You want it in your box? Three leaks. There's 3 leaks. Awesome. More paper towels. I'm going to use some of your shredded paper towels here. Good job. Yeah, you're a brute. We need to find another container to catch the dripping water. Do you have another one you can spare? Another one you're not using? It's not even clear. Where that's coming from? Yeah. 3 water leaks. Yay! Yeah. How about if I push this further into your box? Ooh. Yeah. Wow. Look what you did to the wall. Unbelievable. That is deep. I thought they were just scratches, but no. Oh. I have to watch where I stand. I keep getting dripped on. So, was it really worth the effort to tear this off the wall? Was it that much fun? You're funny. I don't know what to do with it now. Now what do we do with it? How about if we bring it out of your box? Because it's very long. And we put it right there. What do you want to do with that? Oh no, really? Okay, I need to find another container. So how about if you play while I go on a container hunt? All the containers you have around here, we need to have one that can catch water. I don't think it has too big. Good job. Oops. Nicely done. Look at you manhandle that. Oh, you are amazing. You're amazing, Mr. B. Woo! That looks like fun. Nice. Woo! I'm going to borrow one of your cups. Be right back. Go, Mr. B! Wow, look at the talent. Unbelievable talent. Yeah. There. All right. We have to be careful not to move these. Not that it's a big deal. Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to find another one. Woo! We have 4 leaks now. Why do I feel like everything's going to come crashing down there? Nicely done. Looks like the floor is wet up there. Yeah. You keep playing. Huh. You keep playing. Oh, I'm getting dripped on. I can't. Oh, I can't reach. Good. Where'd you go? Oh. This doesn't help me reach. Oh, the leak. No. You gonna try for me? You are the man of the house now. You can go up there and see what's going on. I could put you on a pipe. Put a little camera on your forehead. Yeah, that was good. Even better, very good. Yeah, that was great. I need to grab another one of your cups. I'm stealing your cup. I'm just gonna steal another cup. Yeah. And come back up here. You're gonna catch more water with this cup. Oh, I have to take this phone call.